Feature factory is a derogative term used for companies or departments that invest almost all resources in adding new features to a product. Improvements based on user feedback or innovations rarely make it on the agenda. This can lead to unpleasant to use products and negatively affect the product's success. It's not a clear-cut issue, though. Some users benefit from a rich feature set, and some products even require it. The much bigger problem is the factory part. Many people still view creating software the same way as manufacturing goods. Like one person has an idea, a designer draws a user interface picture, and hands it over to developers for production. Imagine someone at a car manufacturer drawing an image of a new car, taking it to the factory, and asking the workers to create 1 million vehicles based on it. Of course, there's a long and elaborate process between those two steps. Production and development are fundamentally different. Concepts that work well in one area are useless in another. Traditional management theories often focus on production or the management of simple linear tasks. But development is neither simple nor linear. So those practices can be counterproductive when applied to development.